Excuse me. I'm trying to get to the nearest train station. Do you know where it is?
Nearest train station?
Yeah.
Alright, watch out now. I'm gonna go straight down so.
Yeah.
Right? Bus a right, bus a left, bus a right, bus a left, bus a right, bus a left. You gotta reach one corner. You can't miss it. You gotta see two worthless boy, Winston and Gilbert. If them say nothing to you, then if you go suck out them mother. Then you gotta reach one crossroad. So when you reach there, so turn the next way. And that's what me thinking baby mother and a big belly boyfriend live. If you go down there so and you see one blue house, you're there in a wrong place. One green house if you see one girl. Big so and white like so. Don't make her touch you, you know. You can get something we are not gonna like. Follow road go down and you can't miss it. You understand what me I say?
Not really. Could you go past the last part again?
So no foreign people, nah no fucking common sense. Wanna just bumbo clock down. So hold on no. Nah no fucking common sense.
Come in!
Good evening, Omega, where your father there?
Huh?
I said good evening, Omega, where your father there?
What are you saying?
Yeah, dunks. You don't understand patois?
Again, one more time. I can't hear.
You know, I know your father from 1872. Me know your father, you know. The way you is smart, so. Me used to change your diaper, you know your father before your father go wind up in your mother. And then 9 months later, I get the belly. And it come out to be a worthless and I disrespect people. But it don't understand patois. But you never understand what me I say. And you come out to your father was and go in your mother front and come out to be a worthless. That don't make no blood clot sense. Beg your father, you know. Don't bring no foreign girl because the youth are gonna come up to be a dunce. That's why me make sure I have my youth in my yard, you know. Because them have to have common sense. You say, no foreign pitney, you don't have no common sense. I
really don't understand what you're saying.
Pitney, shut your blood clot mouth. Shut your blood clot mouth. Because I disrespect you come and disrespect big people, you know what? My gone in my yard. Tell the father say me did there. If you understand what me I say. Fucking what this.
I'm coming! I'm coming!
Junior dead.
What?
Junior dead.
What, Uncle Junior?
Him kick the bucket. Him drop out last night.
Oh my God, Uncle Junior, how did he die?
You take him.
What, by alcohol poisoning?
No.
What, did he slip and
Pitney,
fall?
no. You taking guy bathroom and he shit out him try. All hog and everything. You might shit out him heart. You might shit out him eyeball too. Ay, Junior. Oh. Junior. Yeah, release Junior. Miss Burner talk about say she want make soup for the 9-9. Come like say she want poison the people them. Yeah. No, me I forgot find money for buy so rum and damn you know for 9-9. I mean, don't know how the funeral they are going, you know. As a 63 baby mother I have, and all 63 of them don't know about one another. Real bad man. You know, say me if I can put on a piece of ball in a service. Or them used to day in 1945. No, me I forgot link worthless Winston and Gilbert I barber shop for sort out that thing, yeah.
Me I come.
Good evening, Miss Brown.
Oh, Errol.
What Alicia there?
She there a friend yard.
Which friend is?
You know, Kamara. What you ask me about Tanisha for?
I mean, I like talk pan people, you know. I mean, I like talk people business. You know a barber from round I road?
Yeah, man.
Well, me did there in a shop and me see one pitney and walk past with fever Tanisha. So me get up and go out the door go look. When me look to back foot, no Tanisha that me see a whole hand with one boy. But she has share saliva. I said to myself, say, I can't sister Brown that cause I'm from 1763, me know Miss Brown. And me know you not stay so.
What?
Yeah, man.
What him look like?
Boy, have one angular fish face pot up like me no know how walk. Boy, ugly in a fat. Boy, look like a croft. Him dress like a croft. And goodly and smell like a croft. Boy, me no know where she get that one there from. Cause enough doctor and enough liar they out there for she go look. Him look ungodly. Me say the boy look like one of God project them when he never get fi finish.
Watch me now when she get in.
Miss Brown, if you no want no ugly grand pitney, talk to Tanisha. Now come go my yard. You take up a book for a morning?
No, it's the weekend.
What that have to do with that book? What that have to do with that book? What this you drink? Syrup?
No, it's grape juice.
Grape juice? Pitney, you know say diabetes from their family. About you drink sugar. You know say sugar we right now you take them. And me I out me there in a sugar feeling. Father used to have me out in a cane piece a morning time. We sell sugar cane a factory. And suckers now me turn big man and start work at sugar factory. And tell you the different type of sugar, you know. You have brown sugar, white sugar, cane sugar, Demara sugar. You know what name molasses?
What's that?
Same thing me I talk about, you know. No pitting nowadays feel like say you know everything. And you know don't know nothing. Make me shut up my mouth and try a diabetes juice. That too sweet, man. Wallace.
You basically finished it. Look at
Shut
it.
up your mouth. Shut up a blood clot mouth. About finished. Furthermore, you drink no tea from morning. Get out of your bed and go drink some tea, man. But some people drink half your juice. You think say nobody want a diabetes juice? Come lucky door. My son dead, but me not dead yet. Take this.
No,
Take your money.
No, Granddad.
Take the money. See if it I buy something nice for yourself, no man.
Okay, Granddad.
Alright.
Alright.
Look
Bye.
after yourself, yeah?
Love you.
Yeah, come on. Love you too. Passy.
Pass what?
Some razor don'ts.
Huh?
Passy, give me. But wait, you're rich. We rich.
Always do this. Even when Aunt Tasha gave me money for my birthday, you said that you would look after the money.
We are chat to. He gives me a watch you.
Yeah, but like the money was mine.
Mine. Hey. Me use the money and mine you. You and your companion. You feed yourself. You pay light bills and everything. So tell me now, what you really are going to do with this money?
I was gonna save it.
Save? You was a picnic, go sit down about save. You know nothing about save? Me I go save this for you.
That's not fair.
What you are going to do with so much money? It was a little picnic. Go sit down. About save. Turn it off.
Huh?
Turn it off.
Okay, Granddad.
Turn this off. What you know about the singer? What you know about that singer?
Playlist is just on shuffle.
You don't know say this is my tune. And in 1995 I show Barris that singer. And a freestyle thing and they say, what? A body in a youth. And you know say in 2001 the song released. What that tell us say? Na thief the man thief me song. You know hear me voice pan this? You know think say that sound like me? You really think say this a sound like me? You know hear your grandfather pan this?
Yeah, I hear it a little bit.
The good thing when you do
Hello?
the good thing then.
Hi.
Good clothes and the good.
You alright?
How much is the oranges?
You're not come from here, son.
I'm from England.
You come from Funny me name, yeah? Well, we're come to the good thing store. Bumbo Clat, you know, see me a family at Brixton. Me have one auntie one place near Birmingham. You know where that there?
Yeah, I do.
Of course you know where that there. We have the sweetest orange road. You see, when farm people, when love put rubber and plastic in our body. You see this? This are natural. So what? You look for something for buy?
Yeah, I just want one of the oranges and the aloe vera.
When name so? Sinker Bible attack.
Yeah, that one, the aloe vera.
Sinker Bible. No. I think you're mistaken, darling. This name Sinker Bible. You sure say you know why the slippers for buy? The baddest slippers are road, you know. Jamaica hot in a mama. You can need for beat a slippers. See, if you cut it like this and scrape it, mix it with one of them, yeah, you can wash out a like dirty bad mind out of your chest. So which part of London you come from, mama?
I'm from Halsden.
Alsden? You can't get this nowhere else.
How much is it?
$2,000. Because me like you, me I go do your ID. Me I go give you two of them, yeah, for $2,000.
How much did you say it was again?
$5,000, mama. $5,000.
I only have 3,000.
3,000?
Okay. Oh,
Me 3,000.
okay.
Have not a nice day.
Come in.
Hey, Pitney, where you take Salam from outside door?
I thought you had your keys.
Me look like the type of man for walk with that key. Just dunks up. You know, foreign Pitney nah nothing about you know. Just want to get up every day and yam people money. Why people always a call before like say them a pay my blood clot for? Hey, don't. Hello, I owe this. Steve. I'm from the Big Dumb House. Oh my God, Steven, how you doing? I ain't seen you in time, mate. No, I'm not up to anything. I'm just chilling with my granddaughter. Yeah, I spoke to my phone Saturday actually. Yeah, I told her that I would be there for 5. They pushed it back for 5:30, did they? That's fine. I'll be there from 4. I'll be there from 4. Alright then, mate, you take care, yeah? Yeah. You tell Maps I said hi, yeah? Show my love, yeah. Fucking idiot. You? Yeah, your next blood clot one as well. Why you always the pinty? Go find a book, man. Get up and go find a ass book. Let's step on the blood clot, team. Hello.
Hello?
You know see me?
Do I know you?
I say I deal with your family and can't say good evening or good night or good day. Go on like say you know see big people. I want to tell you, man. Your father really never tell about your uncle Errol. You know say me raise your pitney, you know how long me know your father. Me know your father before you did day in him bars. Enough time me see that brother their life, you know. Knowing what this pitney coming in the world, I come and disrespect them uncle. Them own flesh and blood. Me don't know I want to find pitney nowadays, you know. Oh yeah man. Would I tell about your mother, you know. But true because me respect Marcel. Back down this and walk past me again and say good evening.
Are you serious? Good evening,
Good evening, what?
Uncle Errol.
Good evening, Dominica.
Okay.
Dominica, carry on, Wilson.
Oh, hi.
Where I do it, so?
I'm going to my friend's house.
Friend house. So you couldn't put on something better than that?
What's wrong with what I'm wearing?
You gonna make the people and think that one shirt you have. Or you just like one cruff. Look for me. Me ever stay fresh and clean, you know. Can never catch a road that look like one cruff. None of me pitney them for you walk a road that look so. You no fine pitney just not care about nothing. You don't know nothing about hard life. You don't know if you tie up goat, you don't know if you tie up cow. You can't find yourself a people yard. So which friend is?
Keisha.
Keisha, how name so? Me know her mother, know her father.
I don't think so.
Yeah, mongrel dog. You love God people yard so. You move like say you have a yard figure. And where she come from, I first me I hear about this Keisha. You tanda man. Go and follow your friend them. You just make sure so when I 8:30 you're there in your yard.
Okay.